We'll be installing the Gooser Assembly number 200 part kit. And again, for reference on the back, the list of all the tools that this kit will fit on different tapers, Asgard and TapeTech. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. This is a Gooser assembly. It advances the tape. One thing to be aware of is the little Gooser needle itself. It's probably stuck to the magnet. It's not installed because it would rip the bag. So we're going to set that off. So it's probably attached to the magnet. But we want to remove that, and I'm going to set it in this little magnetic drawer. Set that part aside. So what we have to do, the Gooser assembly, as you know, as we all know, it moves up and down, advances the tape, and then disengages so tape flows through the tape guide. We need a medium tip regular screwdriver, and there's a screw right here on the bottom we're going to remove. We actually have to remove this screw. So I'm going to just back this up a little bit and then loosen this up. Should be able to just turn it with my fingers here. Again, be careful with, there is a washer on this. And when you take it off, just that if you lose the washer, because it keeps it, it's a lock washer. So if I take it off, you'll see the lock washer and the screw itself. So what we do is just lift this off and then just remove the old Gooser assembly. And again, you want to kind of remember, it's pretty easy to see because you have the magnet. It only fits really in one direction. But we'll just slide this back on. Pop it back on here. Reinstall, put our lock washer here. And we're going to thread this back into Gooser assembly here. Just kind of tighten that up. Use our screwdriver. Magnetic screwdrivers work pretty good as well. So just snug that up really good so it doesn't come loose. Now, to put the Gooser needle in, we have to install that Gooser needle. You're going to need to take a piece of paper tape. So just take a stretch of tape or a piece of tape, install it into the tape guide, and run it up out through the other side, just so we have some tape, so the needle will have something to hit onto here, okay? So we just take the needle, it's kind of small, and place it into, there's a little area right here. Now you may have to loosen this screw, this little set screw, just don't take it all the way out. So we just loosen this and then push in just till it punctures the tape. And I'm going to show you a way to test that. So usually there's joint compound up here. So we're just going to push our thumb, set our thumb here so it rests on this center part of the wheel, and then advance the tape. And you can see it's not really advancing it very well. So you have to go back and set it in a little bit further. See, it's not pushed in all the way, so you can just loosen this just a little bit. Push in with you can use your screwdriver, just tighten it. You just want it to just puncture the tape a little bit. And now when we go, it should advance the tape out the end. That's how you install that kit.